Here, let me show you how to calculate mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and variance using Excel. So we'll be using this data. So in a survey, people were asked to answer how many times they have traveled out of country. And so let's enter this data in an Excel. So let me move my Excel a little bit so that we can see all our data. So it is, let's enter the data now. 1, enter 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 1. Let me see if there is more. So there are 4 ones and 2 zeros. So 1, 1, and 2, 0. Okay. So this is all the data that we have. So once we are done entering the data, let's try to find our mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and variance. So in order to find mean, then type in equals, then type in average, then put your parentheses, then go up here, go here, and then select your data. Okay. Then close your parentheses. You can hit enter or you can hit tab. Okay. So this is the mean for this data. Okay. Now let's find median. So in order to find median, type in equals, then type median, put your parentheses, then go here and then select your data. Okay. Now go here and then close your parentheses, then you can either hit enter or hit tab. Okay. So that will give you the median. Now in order to find mode, type in equals, then type in mode, then put your parentheses here, go here and then select your data. Okay. Then close your parentheses. Then again here you can either hit enter or hit tab. Okay. So this is your mode. 1 is your mode. So now for standard deviation, so you can type in equals, then type in stdev.s. So while you are calculating a standard deviation, if you are considering the data to be sample, then you would type stdev.s. Then put your parentheses, then go here and select the data, then close your parentheses, then hit enter. Okay. So this standard deviation is for sample. So I'll just, on the bracket, I'll just put S so that we know this is for sample. Now let's calculate a standard deviation for population. Okay. So in order to find a standard deviation for population, type in equal, then type stdev.p. Okay. Then put your parentheses here, go here and then select your data. Then close your parentheses, then hit enter. So now for variance, so type in equals, then type in, so again here if you are calculating variance for sample, then you would be doing var.s. Okay, then put your parentheses, here, go here and then select your data. Then close your data, then hit enter. Okay, so this is the variance per sample. So I'll just label that as, mark that as S so that we know it's the variance per sample. So now let's find variance per population. So again in here, type equals, then type var dot p, then put your parentheses, then go here and then select the data. Then close your parentheses, then hit tab, then that will give you variance per population.